Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Time is ticking away before we inevitably get the next big phone from Samsung, the Galaxy S25. The company's next flagship phones are sure to be some of the best phones when they come out, but we're still a good ways away from it. Naturally, we expect the Galaxy S25 to make all the necessary iterative improvements to retain a seat amongst the best Android phones out there. And given how all the Galaxy AI features that accompany the Galaxy S24, it's almost certain that Samsung will follow up with more compelling features powered by artificial intelligence with the Galaxy S25. The Galaxy S24 was announced during Galaxy Unpacked on January 17, 2024, and released on January 31, 2024. Knowing that, we suspect that the Galaxy S25's announcement and release would line up close to those anniversaries in 2025. Samsung actually pulled up the Galaxy S24's announcement a week earlier than the previous Galaxy S23, so it'll be interesting if Samsung would move it up again for the Galaxy S25. If that ends up happening, it could be competing with its other announcements for CES 2025. We're hoping that there's not much change to the Galaxy S25's price. Samsung launched the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra for $799, $999, and $1,299 respectively, with the S24 Ultra being the only one to see its price increase from the prior year. While the current pricing structure should remain intact for the Galaxy S25, the only way we could see a change is if one of its rivals, namely Apple, would increase prices for its iPhone 16 later in the fall. That said, a leaker claims the price of the Galaxy S25 is going up, largely because of the cost of Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chips, which are likely to power some models. Worryingly, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo echoes that sentiment, noting that the 3nm process to be used for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is a costly one. We're still a ways out from the Galaxy S25 launch, so things could change between now and then, but this is a claim worth keeping an eye on. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.